French Team's monologue assignment. Our assignment is over the SB 1070 protests that took place in Arizona. Here's the image we chose to use from some of the protests that took place in Arizona in 2010.
The lady I chose is the most prominent and animated person in the photo. She's an example of a white American who is in favor of the controversial Arizona SB 1070 immigration law. She is holding a sign in front of a man that states, "American rights first." I am a white American, born and raised in the state of Arizona, where I've lived my whole life. Our state recently has been flooded with illegal immigrants who lack documentation or the ability to speak English, but yet they have been allowed to stay. These illegal immigrants have broken the law by entering our country illegally. Legal immigrants had to go through the process to obtain citizenship. Why shouldn't they? We need to protect American rights first. By allowing illegals to stay, we are allowing violent and potentially dangerous criminals in our homeland. They take our jobs and don't pay their fair share. We need to protect American rights first. Why are we protecting illegals who don't belong here?
I chose the Latino male in the picture. He is in this country legally, but opposes the new law in Phoenix because of the racial profiling that he has experienced in the past. It upsets me to see that I don't have the equal protection under the law, that the Constitution does not protect me. It hurts that I am now a target because of the color of my skin. It angers me to see that Latinos, whether they are here legally or illegally, have to walk around in fear. They have to carry around proof of citizenship. Nobody else has to do this. Why do I have to put up with this? I refuse to live in fear. I believe that this is my country and these are my rights as well. I am not a criminal, and nor should I be treated as such. I am a Latino who's here to work hard, provide for my family, and live like any other American.
I decided to choose this gentleman here because he's probably not your typical SB 1070 supporter. I read an account about how some Latinos in Arizona were for the law because they felt that they had done everything correctly to become an American citizen and that these laws were helping protect their rights as American citizens and that illegal immigration was giving true citizens like them a bad name and causing trouble for them in their communities because of the fact that they enter the country illegally. I am an American. I have been here 27 years. I own my own business. I belong here. When I came to America, immigrants were hardworking, followed the laws, contributed to this country. I belong here. Immigrants today take from America, bring crime to our streets, bring trouble to American citizens, and give Latinos a bad name. Here. Laws like this protect Americans. Laws help get rid of illegal criminals. I belong here. I will stand up for these laws that protect people like me. I will protest to help give Latinos like me a good name. I am an illegal American citizen who is mistreated because of the stigma created by illegal immigrants. I belong here.